This one's a level 8. We're doing it in JavaScript. It's called Thinkful Number Drills, Blue and Red Marbles. And as always, there's a link to the challenge in the show notes. Try it out before watching the video. That's the best way to learn. And then the other great way to learn is with repeated practice. So subscribe to the channel, and that way you're notified every time I post new content. So you and a friend have decided to play a game drill with your statistical intuitions. The game works like this. You have a bunch of red marbles and blue marbles. To start the game, you grab a handful of marbles of each color, put them into a bag, keeping track of how many of each color go in. You take turns reaching into the bag, guessing a color, and then pulling one marble out. You get a point if you guess correctly. The trick is, wow, this thing is like War and Peace. The trick is you only have 3 seconds to make your guess, so you have to think quickly. Okay, when do we get to the point? You've decided to write a function, guess blue, to help automatically calculate whether you should guess blue or red. Function should take 4 arguments: the number of blue marbles, oh my gosh, the number of red marbles, the number of blue marbles pulled out so far, always lower than the starting number, and the number of red marbles pulled out so far. Okay. So I guess, so for example, you should return the probability of drawing a blue marble. Okay. Wow, all that to say. Okay. So with that, we're going to, we got 2 variables here. So const remaining blue is going to be equal to blue start minus blue pulled. Okay, and then remaining red is red start minus red pulled. Okay. So the remaining blue is, we're going to return the remaining blue, and it's going to be divided by the sum of the 2. So the percentage of blue is basically what percentage is blue over the sum of those 2 values. So remaining blue plus remaining red. All right, so let's test that out. All right, looking good so far. Whoa, I think we solved that challenge faster than it took me to read it. Great job, y'all.